If you receive an out of paper or load paper message on your HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer, but it has paper loaded in the input tray, you have a paper feed issue. Follow these steps to resolve the issue and clear the error message. Poor paper quality or improperly loaded paper can cause the printer to not pick or feed paper. Remove all paper from the input tray. Check inside the input tray with a flashlight and remove any jams found. Examine the condition of the paper removed from the input tray and remove any bent, wrinkled, or torn sheets. Make sure all the paper is the same size and type, and then fan and align the stack. Load paper into the input tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Touch OK. Touch OK again to try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer can clear load paper or out of paper error messages when there is no paper feed issue. From the rear and with the power still on, disconnect the power cord and any other attached cables. You must power off the printer and disconnect it from the power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. Disconnect the other end of the power cord from the power source. Push in on the tab and then remove the battery cover. Push up on the silver tab to release the battery and then set it aside. Wait at least 60 seconds. From the rear, slide the right side of the battery into the printer and push forward to snap it into place. Slide the tab on the battery cover into the groove on the right side, then push forward to snap it into place. Plug the power cord into a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord and any previously connected cables. The printer should power on automatically. If it does not, press the power button. Try to print a document. If the error message persists, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.